In this quick and easy guide, I'll show you step by step how to reset your Twitter or X password if you've forgotten it. Maybe you changed phones, lost access to your account, or just can't remember your login. Whatever the reason, this tutorial will help you get back in quickly. So let's start by opening our Twitter app, and I'm currently on the login page. I'm going to tap on this login option at the bottom. Then tap on the Forgot Password option, which is located at the bottom left corner of the screen, and that will open another page. And I will have to enter either my Twitter account username, phone number, or email address connected to my account. I'll quickly enter my username, which is AppTutor, and then it's going to prompt me to enter my email address that I've used when creating my account. After I do these steps, they will ask us where we want our verification code to be sent. So I will select my email address, and they may give you an option to select your phone number, which is a good alternative if you've lost access to your email address, because we will need that verification code if we want to reset our X account password. The next step is to open your Messages app or your email app and then find the text message or the mail which Twitter has sent you. This mail will contain a verification code which you'll want to enter in here, and then you'll be able to reset or enter a new password that you will use with your Twitter account. Make sure that you enter a strong password and write it down on a piece of paper, or keep it somewhere written in your phone, because you don't want to forget it anymore. And that's it. Your Twitter or X account should be back up and running. If this helped you out, be sure to give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials.